Welcome to the second episode of Watch Me Change My Life. Before getting started, I would like to say thank you to those of you who commented on my previous video. Your words are so important to me and they keep me going. Thank you so much. After posting that first video, I kept checking the views and for more than 24 hours, it still had 0 views. I have to admit that this made me feel a little bit sad and unmotivated. But then I kept going with my life, and I remembered that I said that I should let the results in the hands of God. And I also tried to see it from a positive point of view, thinking that it's a good thing that no one watched it. It gives me more freedom to express myself the way I want, without thinking about what people are going to think or say. So now a few days passed, and I'm still broke. My bank account is still in the same situation. However, I managed to sell 2 books for €2, and I also got 2 more euros from a survey app after completing some polls. I am a little bit stressed while recording this, and honestly I'm not feeling my best, but I will do it anyways. My days are basically the same every day. I sleep late, I wake up late, but I force myself to move and to work out, at least for 10 minutes, and I'm happy because I've been able to do it. I also spend a lot of time cooking. It just makes me forget about everything else. I kept checking job offers on the internet, but I still did not find anything. And whenever I find an offer that could be good for me, my low self-esteem stops me, and I start doubting myself. Am I going to be able to do this job? Do I have all the skills? Is the work environment good? So many questions that make me doubt and that make me procrastinate. And that's what I've been doing for a long time. So I decided to just pause my thinking, pause my brain, and enter robot mode, where I will just apply, and I don't care about the outcome. I don't care about the results. I will just do my part. All I have to do is take action and pray, and that's it. I have no control over the results. I have to keep telling myself this. And the failure is not the end of the world. I think I'm scared of failure, but also scared of success, because I start thinking, what if I become a bad person? What if I change too much to the level I don't even recognize myself anymore? But I think I have to put my trust in God and keep going, and I'm sure things will get better. For now, the big step that I have to take is to just apply for any job. I signed up to a platform where you can teach people different skills and offer classes in mathematics, literature, history, and so on. I hope things will go well. I will try to post a video every day. I don't know if it will be possible, but I will try. And even if what I say is boring, at least at the end of the month, again, I will be proud that I did it. I think today I'm a little bit more hopeful. I think I can get a job soon. I think things can get better, but I still feel stuck in the same place and not able to afford even the simplest things. But I think this is also maybe an opportunity for me to train my patience and also my gratitude for what I have, because thanks God I still have a roof over my head and food on the table, which is the most important. I think I have to value more what I have and be grateful for it, while also trying to improve my situation. I also need to get used to rejection, and I need to understand that rejection is not the end of the world, and it's not personal either. It just happens, and it's fine. I should rather see it as redirection, and I would like to train that as well. I think I might do some phone calls to different places and mistake on purpose, like calling and asking, like for example, calling a store and asking if it is a school or something. I think this is going to help me to fight my fear of many things. Today I also attended a Zoom session about languages, and it felt really great. I need to get out of my comfort zone and start doing things that I've never done before, so that my brain's chemistry can change. And yeah, that's it. And actually doing this right now, recording this, being vulnerable, and just putting it on the internet is something that's helping me quite a lot, because it just allows me to express myself and get things out of my chest, which is such a big relief, I have to say. It's a lonely journey, but I know that God is with me, and I know He is the Lord of everything, of abundance, of beauty, of health, of wealth, of life even, of this beautiful earth. So I have to trust Him, and yeah, just keep going. Thank you for listening.